so you will not be deplaning onto a jet bridge. It is a steep slope, and typically there's a little step down from the aircraft, so please use caution. Please use the handrails. Any strollers, car seats, any kind of assistive devices like that will be at the bottom of the ramp. On behalf of the entire crew, we'd like to thank you very much for flying with us. We hope you enjoy your stay here on this beautiful island. Mahalo, and thank you very much for flying American Airlines today.